This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Unity brand stainless steel disc padlock that the company advertises for storage units, garages, sheds, trailers, pods, trucks, and more. This particular one has a spring-loaded shutter providing some protection for the core from the dirt and grime that can disable a lock or cause premature wear. This type of shutter is fairly common on locks made for the Indian market, but is relatively uncommon here in the US. Behind the shutter is what Unity calls a quote solid brass cylinder, 5 pins by 5 steps, with high precision pins anti-pick. Well, we'll see just how anti-pick it is, but in my experience, it's often these spring-loaded shutters that offer pick resistance, and that's because they can limit your options as a picker. Unless, of course, you happen to have tape on hand to hold it open. But let's pretend I run across this during a normal day, and all I have is my everyday carry covert companion, no tape. We'll start by selecting a turning tool, probably 40 thousandths of an inch. That is the one I use the most often, so it's always on the top of my stack here. And usually I would try to rake a lock like this, but you can see we don't have great access to the keyway with bottom of the keyway tension. So top of the keyway holds that shutter open just a little bit more, though it might be difficult to rake with top of the keyway tension. So we'll take out my riv pick and we'll switch right to single pin picking. For a small keyway like this, the short hook is almost certainly the way to go. Okay, let's get to picking. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is binding tightly. Nice click there. Maybe a little click on 4. Nothing on 5. Pulling back. I'm stuck behind, I think, number 2. Little click there. Now number 1, click out of 1, and we got this open. As always, the Covert Companion delivers. By the way, we're in the middle of our Black Friday sale at Covert Instruments, so if you ever wanted a Covert Companion or any of its expansion packs, they are at their lowest prices ever. Okay, folks, people often overlook how things like this shutter can affect picking. Really anything that limits a picker's options or in any way makes picking just a little bit more awkward can have a greater impact than you'd think. That said, in this case, the difference is minimal. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.